How to use ChatGPT to analyze PDFs for free. Discover how to utilize ChatGPT's free features to analyze PDF documents, extracting essential information and insights with ease. PDFs often contain valuable information that can be difficult to extract and analyze quickly. ChatGPT, an AI tool, is emerging as a versatile solution beyond simple text generation. ChatGPT's potential for PDF analysis is particularly beneficial for students, researchers, and professionals dealing with extensive documents. It can even translate languages in real time. For such informative videos, subscribe my YouTube channel ITFO. Step 1. Log into ChatGPT by clicking Login, or sign up if it's your first time using it, using Gmail, Microsoft, or Apple. Step 2. Upload your PDF by locating the paperclip in the prompt box and choosing your preferred upload method, such as Google Drive or from your computer. 3. Formulate a clear question or instruction about the PDF. For example, ask ChatGPT to summarize the main arguments and key examples of an essay. 4. Review ChatGPT's response carefully, check for accuracy, and ask follow-up questions if needed. Always verify important information and use your judgment. Lastly, experiment with different types of questions to get various analyses, like comparing sections or finding specific information. Remember, ChatGPT assists you, but doesn't replace your understanding.